Welcome back to Sports Nightly. It's Wednesday, so it's time for our Southwyck Lanes Bowling Challenge. You know how it works. 3 tosses. If you get 3 straight strikes or a turkey, they're going home with the jackpot. Let's take a look at who we have rolling this week. Now, the pot is $270. Here's Warren Soymus. Toss number 1. Ooh, it's got a curve on it. Oh, 3 pins remain. All right, so the jackpot is out, but remember, he gets $1 a pin. So we're sitting at $7 right now. Let's see if he can make it 10 with the spare. He gets it. He's a pro, knocks it down. He's had 25 300 games in his life, 2 800s. All right, third and final throw. There it is, $20 going home with Mr. Warren Soymus. Catching up with him after his throws is BCSN's Steve Ronkowitz.
You know, you got up there and you threw one practice ball on that left-hand lane. You had it dialed in.
Right.
And then it comes up, we turn the cameras on. What the heck happened?
I don't know. I go through my swing and I lose the ball just before I get a chance to lift through it. So, one of those things.
You made the spare without any problem.
Oh, yeah. Well, I was lined up. I threw the strike ball on the spare and on the next one, too.
Yeah, the fill ball. Hey, always in the fill ball, right?
Right. I was there. But you know how it goes. Get a little jittery and bang.
All right, Warren not able to get the $270 that was out there. He's going to take home 20. We're going to roll it over. We'll see what happens next week.